Welcome back, Shade Squad. Today we are going to talk about NVTS stock. But first, make sure to knock out the like button in the next 5 seconds.
Do you ever just get down on your knees and thank God that you know me?
For those of you new to the stock market show, this show focuses on common sense investing by buying good companies that trend on the yearly time frame, and we focus on generating income by abusing stock market patterns. Now, with the intro out of the way, let's go over the technicals, then we'll check for abusable patterns, then talk strategy, and we'll end the video with my personal price target. So let's go over the technicals. There's nothing I like more than a stock that has a clear bottom and a clear top. That is what we have here, a nice little sandwich. Stock that's in a box. However you want to phrase it, at the end of the day, very obvious, clear where buyers are showing up. And it's also very clear where sellers are showing up. So sellers are showing up at 9 to 10. Buyers are showing up between 560 and 650. So you want to accumulate this one under 650 if you believe it's going to hold here. If it does hold, we will eventually go back to the top of the range and you can make quite a bit of money. Because let's switch over to the pattern section. We have a very obvious pattern that we can abuse, right? When it's in the trading range, you look at the weekly time frame, it goes up and down within that range. Classic buy the bottom, sell the top behavior. The ones that make the money are the ones that buy when it's down there nice and cheap. Now the risk is that it breaks down and goes lower. So you do want to have some kind of stop loss because you don't want to be the one holding the bag. Because you never know with these stocks. It might never recover. Or maybe it will. But you just don't know. It's better to play it safe than sorry. But if you want to get the best discount, wait for the bottom of the range. Abuse that pattern here of it bouncing around like a ping pong ball and have us stop at around 550, maybe 540. The lowest I went to was 568. So I wouldn't position myself big. Too many people make the mistake of I'm gonna go all in, but there's risk here if it breaks down and goes lower. So up to you how you want to play it. Like if you have a $100,000 account, maybe 10K at most. Don't make the mistake of like this. There was this one girl who joined my Discord. She, what did she do? She loaded up a quantum stock at the top, RGTI at like $20, and it dropped 50% overnight, and she lost like 300K because she went all in because she was greedy. So like part of risk management is not doing that. Just be okay with, hey, I'm gonna put 10K. If it goes up, 20%. That 2K is 2K, right? It's 2K you didn't have to do anything for. So hypothetically, if you were to buy here and it goes back to like 9s, I mean, that's actually 36%. My bad. You can make like 36% of 10K. That's 3,600. I know what you're thinking. You want to put all 100K in there and make 36K. I get it, but that also comes with the risk of losing quite a bit, and you don't want to end up like that girl. So better to play it safe than sorry. Again, part of risk management is not just the stop loss, but also knowing when to go in big and when not to. With something like this, better to play it safe than sorry, in my opinion. So again, very abusable pattern. Strategy, classic buy the bottom, sell the top. It's that simple. Buy under 650, sell at 9 plus. That's it. You got your buy and sell target, stop loss target, good risk to reward ratio, right? That's why you want to buy the bottom, because you get the best risk to reward ratio. Imagine buying the top and now you have to hope that it comes back up for you. And if it does come back up for you, you made nothing because you're at break even at that point. Whereas if you wait for the bottom, if you wait for like 650-ish and under, when it goes back up here, you actually make like 25+%. Meanwhile, the bag holder is just getting out. So it really does pay to be patient and disciplined and have a strategy. And go for that good risk to reward ratio that is offered by stocks that go sideways in a range. My personal sell target, drum rolls please. I give NVTS, JP Shades here, giving it a price target of 15. We will eventually break above 10. The day we break above 10, we go to 15. I've seen this happen with other stocks. APLD, a perfect example of this. APLD stuck in a range for months. This is a monthly time frame, and eventually it broke above 10, went to 15. Surprise, surprise, it's almost like a magnet. Think about it that way. It's like a magnet. It will go to 15 if it breaks 10 when that does happen. So, if it happens. So that's what I'm looking for here. In a trading range, if it does break above 10, we go to 15. I think it's a realistic price target. Sure, I could just throw out 100, 3,000 a share, but I like to keep it real on this channel. So NVTS, JP Shades here, give it a price target of 15. Don't click off just yet, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about this year's bonus play. So for the bonus play, CING stock 4.17 as of this video, Monday, August 11th. Classic, buy the bottom, sell the top. You can't go wrong with this one. Loves to dump, and then it pumps again. Nobody wants it when it's cheap, under $4. Then it pumps to 6 for a nice potential 50% return. We can even measure it here. You can make 22% if you select 4.4, or hold for $6 and you can make about 50% plus. So that is the bonus play for the year. Keep an eye on that bottom. I would say accumulate under 4 and look to sell at 5, then 6. That's it for this episode of the Stock Market Show. Patreon.com/shadesandtrades if you want to join the private Discord for trade alerts. As you can see here, Shane, cool, thanks, man. I made over 50%. I'm really excited. I really appreciate your work. I did take profit. I love this. Jeff, advice on when to buy and sell makes the difference of thousands of dollars. $50 a month is well worth it. Virgilus, Shades, Houstings, sitting on 1,600 shares of Sound, up 21%. Shall I keep holding? So again, patreon.com/shadesandtrades for trade alerts. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, guys. Take my chance. Risk is managed. I let it dance. If it breaks below.